Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for September 25th of 2025 is titled Saturn opposite the Sun. So what do we see here? Well, here we see Saturn in an image taken just a few days ago, and that was on September the 21st, which was the day that Saturn was at opposition. And Saturn is labeled in the image here, and the bright object that we see, it looks like a star, as it will look in the sky. And in fact, planets were originally considered to be wandering stars, or stars that just seem to move among the other fixed stars. However, what happened on this day is that Saturn was at opposition. And what opposition means is that the planet is exactly opposite to the sun in the sky. And that is when it is most prominently visible, because it rises as the sun sets and then sets as the sun rises, meaning that it is up all night and will be at its highest point in the sky in the very darkest hours of the night, making it easier to be able to see. Now, opposition will occur for any planet with an orbit larger than Earth's. So, any planet like Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune will all undergo opposition at some point. Now, when they go and how often they go depends on the specific orbits of the planets. Mars will do this less often because its orbit is almost the same speed as Earth, and it takes a longer time for Earth to overtake it and get it back in the correct position again. For an object like Neptune, it would happen about once a year, because it would be as it gets around and Neptune doesn't move all that much, so Earth gets back into position in about 1 year to make Neptune at opposition again. Now, within this, you can see an oval labeled there, and that is what is known as the Gegenschein, and that is the counterglow. And what we see is actually light from the sun being scattered off of dust particles within the solar system. So it is backscattered by dust within the solar system, and it happens to show up best opposite to the sun. So not unusual that you would see this kind of glow when a planet is at opposition, and the planet would seem to be right in the middle of it, simply because they both occur in the same area of the sky. When that planet is at opposition, it's going to be at the same region that we would see this type of glow. And therefore we get to see both of them here today, along with a couple of telescope domes down on the foreground here on planet Earth. So that was our picture of the day for September 25th of 2025. It was titled Saturn opposite the Sun. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.